We're at the Holley Mo Party 2022 in Bowling Green, Kentucky at Beech Raceway, September 16, 17, and 18. Holley Mo Party has a car show, autocross, drag racing, and of course a swap meet. Here's all the swap meet footage. Let's see if we can find anything cool for these Mopars. What you got on the model?
$10.
$10.
Yeah.
Looks like it's all there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What's the story on it?
I helped a friend of mine get 11,000 mile Superbird. Billy didn't want it because it didn't have a tag. So turned a friend of mine onto it. Billy bought the yellow bird from him and he told Billy what it was. Then I helped my friend also get 2 Shaker Hood 4-speed Shaker Hood 446 pack Cudas and some parts. And I said, well, I'd like to have an A12 because I got a pink AR. I said, I'd like to have an A12. And he knew what this car was, but he wouldn't give it up. So he calls me, he says, it's in Columbus, Georgia. The guy's a welder. That's all I know. That's okay. It took me 2 minutes to find it. I said, I'm looking for a 69 Super B. I heard you have one. He said, I got an A12 car. You interested? He said, yeah. I said, can I see it? So I went down there and looked at it. And then I said, do you know, he didn't tell me who he bought it from. I was going through the glove box and I found a registration. A guy named Dwayne, I got him in my phone. It's been in the same family since 1971. His uncle bought it new. Well, he bought it because he dirt track. He wanted a street car. So he bought this car. Then Dwayne's dad bought it. Dwayne's brother bought it from his dad. And Dwayne bought the car. Dwayne don't have the original rear end or the distributor in it, but Dwayne's got it. But I can't get it because he says I've moved 3 times and my dad died. And I can't find it. But when I find it, I'll text you, I'll call you, you'll get the distributor. Well, the rear end, I said, what happened to it? It's got a Dana 354 69 model in it. He said, I cut the original one up, put it in a pro street car. I said, oh, Lord of mercy.
I bought a 74 46 pack 4-speed Dana shaker rubber bumper Cuda. Went to buy his parts and ended up buying his car too. I got to go pick up his car next week. I got it sold.
Cards, so we give you one.
Thank you.
You've got over 500 cars in the junkyard, 15 buildings full of used parts, and a 4-bay garage full of reproduction parts.
Oh wow, where's he out of?
Lawndale, North Carolina.
Okay.
It's about, you know where Shelby is?
No.
It's about 40, well, Lawndale's about 40 miles southwest of Hickory.
Okay.
You go down, if you go down 85, you get to Shelby. He's 15 miles away.
Okay.
He does shipping too.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What you got on the Charger?
3. And these floors, the outside's in good shape. I mean, as well as you can see there, but floors are bad. It's a big block car, 400.
Okay. Man, these are cool. How cool is that? They don't make glasses like this anymore.
Fenders are 68 or 78. The 79 fenders are more squared off here rather than a big radius. The box is the same, 8 and 9. Rear fenders are different. Steering column is different. The 78 came with a tough wheel. 79 came with a plastic wheel. 79 had dual headlights, so the grill's different. 78 had singles, but yet the VIN tag and the title match. This is about the best barn find that I found. Actually, it was underneath the shelter. Had an old customer call me up and said, "Hey, come buy this, get it out of my yard."
Hey, I wanted to share with you guys the t-shirts they have at the Mo Party show. $15 a piece. Did you see that price? Check out these t-shirts. They're cool. These are event t-shirts too. You can't go to any other show and get an event t-shirt for $15. These are cool. Very nice shirts. This is definitely a show where you can stock up on some t-shirts. And remember that guy that was talking earlier at the swap meet, talking how they had just warehouses full of auto parts? There's his card with his phone number and everything. Give him a call. He gave me his card and said, here, share this with everyone. Couple more pics of that Super Bee. Man, that thing was cool. Along with all the little nests on top. Holley Mo Party 2022 in the books.